Come on, Megan, try this.
I'm scared. I have.
Huh?
Of our situation into the sex of the throat. Affix your seal. Endorsement.
I'm gonna try it.
Read it to the men
I'm
today,
scared.
right now, and accept its result. That you will live under my rule as queen. What a fantasy this must have been. Walking in here, thinking I might have
Now, what do you think of it?
I don't know.
Do it. Don't do it. I offer this to you out of mercy and for the sake of our father's memory. Whether you choose to accept it or not is your choice.
It's really sweet.
It does.
It's actually quite nice.
Eat it then.
I am.
It's just not something that we are in a way negotiated under duress.
There's many seeds in it.
Other parts and wrong for meaning to yours. Only the gods
Well done,
decide who's
Megan.
king or queen. And when they do, death must be a witness.